My name is Jessica Barr. I'm currently pursuing a master's in education and advanced teaching and leadership with an administrative endorsement. I earned my bachelor's in elementary education from UNLV. I'm STEM and Kagan Cooperative Learning Certified, and I'm currently the grade level chair for second grade at an esteemed charter school. Nevada, Las Vegas. The Sierra Nevada College mission statement states, "Our graduates will be scholars and contributors to a sustainable world." SNC combines the liberal arts and professional preparedness through an interdisciplinary curriculum, which emphasizes entrepreneurial thinking and environmental, social, economic, and educational sustainability. The Digital Math Institute correlates to the SNC mission by focusing on professional preparedness, specifically in the highly emphasized field of technology, at a young age. By utilizing technology as a resource and a tool to aid in mathematical comprehension, the graduates of the Digital Math Institute will be well versed in technology and problem-solving skills, which will easily evolve and adapt to their future professional preparedness. The Digital Math Institute is a proposal offering reinforcement of daily math curriculum and concepts through the utilization of technology as both an engager and as the leading resource for concept-based learning. Proposal target group. The Institute will initially be offered to a sampling of second grade students who volunteer with parent consent to commit to attending the program after school, 1 day a week, for a 10-week duration. This after-school program will provide students with resources and strategies that they may continue to access outside of the classroom to solidify learning. The initial action plan for the Digital Math Institute is, by fall 2016, assess student knowledge in areas of need using diagnostic assessment. Instructional plans based on assessments and surveys will be completed. The 10-week Digital Math Institute workshop will commence. Students will complete guided, comprehensive extension activities utilizing digital resources and technology application. By winter 2016, the end of the workshop will commence, data collection will happen, and post-diagnostic and data interpretation will take place. The Digital Math Institute is unique because it provides students with an opportunity to extend upon mathematical concepts learned in class through the use of technology as an engager and a tool for meaningful comprehension. According to Peter Rolero, not only do virtual science and mathematics experiences allow learners to partake in more activities in less time and space, they also provide learners with complex and rich experiences that can lead to deep and lasting understanding of math and science concepts, as well as profound changes in themselves as learners. The Digital Math Institute utilizes the diagnostic and needs assessments to discover the true individual needs of the students in the workshop, rather than what the workshop coordinators believe their needs to be. The needs assessment is given to all student workshop participants and all second grade teachers. The results will drive all content and planning for the Digital Math Institute. This approach to determining the workshop's content embraces the researched ideology that one absolutely cannot make a series of good decisions without first confronting the brutal facts. Here you will see the tentative proposal budget for the Digital Math Institute. The total budget sum ends up being $546.44. This consists of stipends for both the Institute coordinator and the Institute educator or instructor, pencils, and composition notebooks. The technology used for the Digital Math Institute is provided by the school at no cost. The Digital Math Institute will be organized by an individual known as the Institute Coordinator. Both the Institute Coordinator and the teacher participant, known as the Workshop Educator, will receive a small stipend. The proposed community partnership would be that of the Best Buy Foundation. The foundation was founded in 1966 by Richard Scholes. The program is committed to technology-integrated education. Best Buy has more than 1,400 stores located nationwide. The foundation states that their mission is to provide students with places and opportunities to develop technology skills that will inspire future education and career choices. Benefits from partnering with the Best Buy Foundation include: technology donations would provide increased learning opportunities for students participating in the Institute. Training for the Digital Math Institute instructors in how to use technology and effectively integrate it into lessons. And it aligns to the same mission, which increases community connection and benefits. The Digital Math Institute will strengthen the community by preparing students for 21st century careers in their community through educational technology. It will also utilize community connections in the program by having technologically trained professionals assist in the training of program instructors. Finally, it will provide students with a needed skill set that they can apply in their community. Outside research has supported the Digital Math Institute proposal through substantiated evidence. It is not gender, age, content area, or educational background of the instructor that will affect learning outcomes of the Institute's students, but rather the instructor's understanding of how to successfully use technology as a learning tool. Research always states that technology integration correlates to an increase in mathematical test scores. Finally, research shows that there is a current deficiency amongst elementary school teachers in the fields of math and science that needs to be addressed. According to Block, it is essential that the community come together for an exchange of value and to experience how relatedness, gifts, learning, and generosity are valuable to community. The Digital Math Institute is attempting to partner with the community to achieve transformation. By joining missions with community partners, such as the Best Buy Foundation, both organizations are able to exchange the gift of knowledge. To be exemplary, by definition, is to be the best of one's kind. To become an exemplary leader, an advocate for themselves and the people which they lead, one must push the boundaries of self-discovery and develop an awareness of the needs of others that surpasses the expectations of those around them. According to Kouzes and Posner, the 5 practices of exemplary leadership are: to model the way, to inspire a shared vision, to challenge the process, to enable others to act, and to encourage the heart. The Digital Math Institute is committed to modeling the way by having a strong leader, the Institute coordinator, and quality educators, Institute instructors. An instructor who is fully versed in the technology and content they will be teaching. And the Institute coordinator clearly will communicate expectations and inspire instructors to achieve a shared goal of student achievement. According to Kouzes and Posner, to enlist support, leaders must have legitimate knowledge of people's dreams, hopes, aspirations, visions, and values. The Digital Math Institute will inspire a shared vision by revolving around an already established shared vision with the community and stakeholders, by meeting a need in the community, and by taking into account the aspirations of the students, the instructors, and the school. Leaders search for opportunities to innovate, grow, and improve. The Digital Math Institute challenges the process by using technology as the key tool for learning, as opposed to traditional classroom approaches, which challenges the status quo of traditional classroom teaching. It also seeks opportunities for innovation, growth, and improvement. The Digital Math Institute will enable others to act by taking into consideration the strengths of all the program participants, as well as the instructors, and applying this knowledge to enhance the program. It will emphasize technology as the method for learning and demonstrating understanding, which automatically enables its participants to perform at their full potential. The Institute encourages the heart by magnifying the achievements of both student and instructor, taking the time to track growth and celebrate at moments of success, and by viewing each participant as a crucial component of the program and the community. Hadi Partovi is an entrepreneur, an advocate for technology integration in education, and the founder of the nonprofit organization Code.org. Just as Partovi's mission is to make technology accessible to all and use it as a primary tool to enhance learning, so it is the mission of the Digital Math Institute to reach its students in the same way, providing them with an unequivocal opportunity that will contribute to their current and future successes. For one to be a leader of the highest quality, they must actively pursue and apply the skills and traits necessary to positively influence those whom they are trying to lead. The Leadership Trait Questionnaire measures and assesses leadership characteristics. It quantifies the perceptions that the leader has of themselves and the perceptions that their peers or subordinates have of them as well. The Digital Math Institute will utilize the results of this questionnaire by reflecting on the strengths and weaknesses of the leader and applying it to the program. The Institute coordinator will use it to enhance communication and positive feedback. And an anonymous survey will be given to instructors to increase useful feedback about leaders. The purpose of the skills inventory is to provide insight into understanding how leadership skills are measured and identify what one's leadership skills may be. The Institute will utilize the results of this questionnaire by assisting the Institute coordinator in being well-rounded in both conceptual, human, and technical skills. And embracing all three of these skills and striving to demonstrate them will make a more productive and well-balanced workplace. According to Nordhaus, identifying one's leadership style or behaviors assist in understanding their own task and people orientation. The Digital Math Institute will utilize the results of this questionnaire by assisting the Institute coordinator in having a balanced approach to the relationship and task-oriented leadership styles. Achieving effective leadership is no small task, and certainly not one that can be obtained on one's own. According to Nordhaus, defining leadership as a process means that it is not a trait or a characteristic that resides in a leader, but rather a transactional event that occurs. Understanding the leadership style of others will assist in effectively working with others. The tagline for the Institute is Digital Math Institute, Friends of the Future. Why choose the Digital Math Institute? The Institute has a vision of the future of technology integration in education and the positive effect this can have on student achievement, specifically in terms of mathematics. The Institute is also advocating for our community, ensuring our future workforce is highly skilled and well prepared for the rapidly increasing need for technologically skilled professionals. As previously stated, the total budget for the Digital Math Institute is $564.44. This would be the cheapest after-school program to implement in comparison to the ones already in place. The biggest resource is technology, which is already available at the school. The cost is mostly comprised of paying for 2 program employees, and the benefits of the program far outweigh the costs. The success of the Institute highly depends on being highly marketable. This is an example of a flyer that would go out to parents to recruit them for the 10-week workshop. Another marketable would be this informational brochure.